IREL, Indian Rare Earths Limited, recruitment for different vacancies. This is advertisement number. The link to apply for this will be given in the description. IREL is a Miniratna Category 1 Central Public Sector undertaking under the administrative control of Department of Atomic Energy. So in order to apply for this post, these are regular basis post, and the application date has already started from 15/9/2021. The last date to submit the online application is 5/10/2021. So we'll see the number of vacancies and what are the posts. Graduate trainee in finance, this is the post code PC1. There are 7 vacancies, unreserved 5, SC1, OBC1, and this is the grade pay after you complete the training, 25,000 to 44,000, and during the training you will be given a stipend of 30,850. And for graduate trainee HR, there are 6 vacancies, unreserved 5, OBC1, and diploma trainee technical in different branches, mining, chemical, mechanical, electrical, civil, are put together 18 vacancies for diploma trainee, or all to put together 18 vacancies. And the sub classification, that is category wise posts, are unreserved 10, SC category 2, ST 1, OBC 4, EWS 1. And for junior supervisor, Rajya Sabha, there is 1 vacancy, and the pay scale for this is 25,400, 44,000 rupees, and the maximum age limit is 30 years. And personal secretary, there are 2 vacancies. This is the same pay scale, 25,000 to 44,000, and the maximum age limit is 30 years. And there is also some relaxation given to different categories as well. Remember, the maximum age limit to apply for all the graduate trainee in finance, HR, and diploma trainee is 26 years for unreserved category, and there is also some relaxation for different categories as well. So, and for non-executive workmen, the number of posts are 20 vacancies for tradesman trainee, and that is ITI, fitter, electrical attendant, operator, chemical plant, 20 vacancies, and the stipend will be given 20,000 during the training. And after successful completion of a training, you will be given a pay scale of 22,000 to 88,000 rupees. The maximum age limit is 35 years. So the qualification to apply for the post of graduate trainee in finance is CA intermediate or CMA intermediate, or graduate in commerce from any recognized university with 60% marks if you belong to the EWS or OC or OBC, and 50% marks for SC category. And for graduate trainee HR, remember, to apply for this post you need to have any degree. So graduate trainee HR, you need to have any degree. The essential criteria, eligibility criteria, is a graduate in any discipline from recognized university with 60% marks in aggregate. And also, to apply for the post of a diploma trainee, you need to have 3 years of diploma in different branches, that is in respective streams, mining, chemical, mechanical, electrical, civil, from the recognized university, and 50% marks aggregate for SC ST candidate, and 60% of marks for others, that is OBC, EWS categories. And you have to apply for the post of junior supervisor, that is Rajya Sabha. You need to have a master's degree in Hindi with English as a compulsory or elective subject, that is medium of examination at the degree level, or master degree from recognized university. And also experience of 1 year is required to apply for the post of junior supervisor, Rajya Sabha. And personal secretary, the essential criteria, that is the qualification, is graduate in any discipline from recognized university with English as a compulsory subject at least at a degree level, and also 40 words per minute in English is a typing speed you need to have. This is a skill. And also stenographic skill and knowledge of MS Office will be proficient, essential. And desirable thing is excellent verbal communication, written communication, and interpersonal skills. And also you need to have experience of 1 year managing the secretarial activities in any of the offices. So in order to apply for the tradesman trainee, you need to have ITI in different sectors. And attendant operator, you need to have passed SSC or equivalent examination. So there is also age relaxation for different posts for different categories. SC category 5 years of age relaxation, OBC 3 years, and PWD General 10 years, PWD OBC 13 years, and PWD 15 years for SC/ST PWD candidates, and domicile of J&K 5 years relaxation is given. So this is regarding the age criteria, and the maximum age relaxation for different posts is given here. For graduate trainee, finance, HR, and also diploma trainee, the maximum age criteria relaxation is up to 45 years, and rest of the post are 35 years, and for the tradesman is 50 years. So this is regarding the number of posts and age criteria. Let's see what is the mode of selection. The selection will become of two types, that is written test followed by a skill test. So the mode of selection will be a two-tier, that is written test followed by skill test or computer proficiency test and psychometric test, and CBT will be given for the postcode 125 and paper based test for different posts other than postcode 125. And the number of questions, that is for CBT, the computer based test for the postcode of graduate trainee in HR, finance, and junior supervisor, Rajya Sabha personal secretary. For paper 1 it will be a 50 marks subject knowledge, and paper 2 will be a 50 marks, that is general knowledge, numerical ability, reasoning, and English. And this is for the post of PC1 to PC5. And for the post of diploma trainee, section A of paper 1 will be consisting of subject knowledge, which consists of basic questions of general engineering. So this is basic questions of general engineering, not a specified subject. And section B, the knowledge of specific discipline. So this is for 100 marks, and paper 2 will be of 50 marks of general knowledge, numerical ability, reasoning, and general English. So for the post of tradesman trainee, 50 marks will be awarded to the subjective knowledge, and 50 marks will be awarded to the numerical ability, GK, reasoning, general English. So for the post of, for all these posts, the minimum qualifying marks is also given. So 25 marks should for OBC unreserved EWS category is a minimum must for paper 1, and for SC category 23 marks are the minimum eligibility criteria marks, and in paper 2 the same is the criteria, 25 marks for OBC, SC, EWS, OBC, EWS, and unreserved candidates. For SC category 22 marks. So this is regarding based on the merit you will be called to next selection criteria, that is skill test in the ratio of 1:3. So this is regarding the number of vacancies, and written tests for the post of graduate trainee, HR, finance, diploma trainee, and junior supervisor will be held in the cities of Mumbai, Trivandrum, and Bhubaneswar. So these are the written test centers. These are the only centers, and for the post of tradesman, which will be held in Bhubaneswar itself. So this is regarding the number of vacancies, and also the details, and also different criteria of how you are eligible, and also the written test centers. And selected candidates will be posted in any of the sites for graduate trainee, finance, HR, and diploma trainee. Application fees is 400 rupees for EWS, OC, and there is an exemption of fees for SC/ST, PWD, ESM category, and also women and internal candidates are exempted from paying any application fees. So this is regarding the vacancies of IREL, and remember the last date to apply for this is 5/10/2021. So examination centers are only in 3 cities, so please be cautious while applying for this post. If you have any doubts, please do contact. Thank you. Have a great day.